Okay, so we're going to apply some epoxy here to this guide. So, since we sort of have short time, really what we'll do a method where we just put a bunch on. Okay. Basically, we're not painting it on or anything like that. We're basically using the brushes to spread, really. And with this extra amount, all we're doing is letting that excess just drip off. This stuff, epoxy will pretty much self-level. And I'm just going a little bit, like 2 thread wraps to the outside and the inside to cover the ends of the wrap. Okay. So once we get that on there, we're going to grab our heat gun. You can use other things. You can use like an alcohol burner or something like that. Sorry, I didn't have that plugged in, but okay, now we're going to apply some heat to this thing. I'm on low power. Doesn't need to be any more than that. But what we're looking for is that when it heats up, it gets really, like, see it drip right there on the bottom? That's when we want to remove the heat. And we can just take this and just pull it away. Okay, and then that's good right there. And then over here we got one. You can just pull that away. And that's all it takes. Okay, just got to get enough on there. If it's still showing like it's sinking a little bit, but it's not, we're good. So it's just, we're looking for that drip right down here. As soon as it starts to sort of sag on the bottom, pull the heat away and just touch it with your brush to let the brush sort of absorb the excess off. If it drips into the pan below it, that's fine. So, and that's pretty much just applying epoxy to it. So we're just gonna put enough on there just to coat it real good. Use the heat to liquefy it enough so the excess will just drip away or be wicked away. So there you go. That's how you put on a guide or wrap a guide. That took 30 seconds.